Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on Pinterest that allows you to enable comments notifications for your published pins directly from your PC. This feature enhances your engagement with followers by keeping you informed about their feedback on your content. Let's walk through the steps to set this up. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the left side menu. Here, you'll find a gear icon. Click on it to access your settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, locate the option labeled Notifications. This section is crucial, as it allows you to customize how you receive updates about your pins. Click on Notifications to proceed. Under the Notifications settings, you will see a category titled Pins You Published. This section is specifically for managing interactions related to the pins you've created. Look for the Comments option within this category, and click on it. To enable notifications for comments, toggle the option for Push Notifications to the On position. This ensures that you will receive real-time alerts whenever someone comments on your published pins. After making this change, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply your new settings. By following these straightforward steps, you can stay connected with your audience and foster a more interactive environment on Pinterest. Engaging with comments not only enhances your presence, but also encourages more users to interact with your content. Remember, keeping track of comments can significantly improve how you connect with your followers and respond to their thoughts and ideas. So, make sure those notifications are enabled. Thank you for tuning in today. Enjoy exploring Pinterest and engaging with your community like never before.